Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own clip-ins extensions. So the first thing that you're going to be needing is a hair extension. You can use any type of hair, but in this case I'll be using this hair by Angel. It's called Afro Bulk and this is how it looks. So the second thing that you're going to be needing is yarn or Uzi, and the last thing that you're going to be needing is clip-ins. So these clip-ins were going for 25 shillings per piece, and I used about 8 or 9, I think 8 or 10. Yeah, I used 10 clip-ins. Yeah, so I'm going to start by separating the hair into two, and I realized that it wasn't necessary because I ended up having like a bulk look, which was something that I was not going for. So I would suggest that you don't separate your hair, okay, so that you can have like a more natural finish, or rather a more natural look. So next I'm going to be attaching the hair onto the yarn, and I'm going to be securing the hair twice. So the reason why I secured the hair twice is because I wanted to create more space for me to be able to sew in the clip-ins. So that is so I'm going to create a circle, and then I'm going to pull the hair through. So that is the first one, and then the second one, as simple as that. So I ended up using one pack of hair, and one pack of hair was going for 440 shillings. I bought mine at River Road, Best Lady River Road. So the hair prices keep on changing depending on where you buy the hair, so I'll suggest you buy yours at Best Lady River Road if you're in town, that is. But if you're not in town, you can get it at any local beauty store around your area. So while I was sewing the hair, I realized that the hair was becoming bulky, and I ended up not separating all the strands because I was going for a more natural look. But if you want a more fuller look, then you can go ahead and separate all the strands. So this is how the hair looks when I'm done, and this is what I was talking about. When you don't separate your hair, you're going to have some really nice coily texture, which is going to blend well with your hair. But now if you separate the hair, this is how it's going to look like. You're going to have like a more separated look that looks somehow natural, but I didn't like it. I liked the more coily one. Yeah. So this is a piece of hair that has some clip-ins on already, and that is how it looks. So I'm going to be cutting the excess yarn so that you can have a more realistic clip-ins extensions. So when it comes to sewing in the clip-ins, you have to make sure those two shiny dots are facing down and the clips are on the outer side from where you're sewing in the clip-ins. So there's no technique to sewing clip-ins. You just sew the clip-ins to your preference, but make sure that the clip-ins are tight enough, they're strong enough, and that they are not gonna move no matter what happens. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this video and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram as well, because that's where I'm mostly active. Yeah, so make sure you also check my next video, because that's where I'm going to be showing you how to style the extensions. And until next time, guys, bye.